Push the red button to hit the ball, okay? Say okay.
Okay.
You push the red button.
Okay.
Push
All
it.
right.
I'm going to say your name and push when it's time, okay? Ready? Here we go. We're going for 1,000,000 points. Go! Okay, push it. No, you have to let go and push it again, Devin. Okay? Oh! Okay. That's 126,000. Go again. Devin, hit your button. You missed it. But we got a bonus. 2,000 points. Ready? You ready? Go! Push your button, Devin. There you go. Good job. Keep doing it. Push your button, Abby. Oh, you missed it.
Can we play that time?
No, it's our last ball. You guys, we need to hit the ball some this time. We're not doing very well. Okay. Once. Good job. Devin, push it real fast. Push the button fast. Abby, you guys, watch the ball. Okay, it's our last chance. Push the button. Let go, Abby. Push it. Push the button, Devin. Push the button, Devin. Okay.
We didn't miss it.
We got 460,000 points plus a match.
Let's open it.
We can't open it. You have to try to hit the ball if you want to open it. 60 match, we got 460,000. Okay, it's my turn.